The view looks so good. Oh my god, we are chilling at the pool right now. Hey, Cece. Andre. Cece.
Hey, girl. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Grand Palladium, nice. Oh my god. View pretty. So, so pretty. I wish we did like do this in the morning today. Because you know that like get to see it more. No. But tomorrow when it's my birthday, tomorrow which is my birthday, we'll go live. Abby! ACC. We are try walk out the hotel, but we can't. It's dangerous. The hotel is so big. Andre, where did this Andre? Where did it?
Nothing, really chilling. Chilling like a village. I'm chilling like a village.
So tomorrow now, um, we will go like we go live because we go come swimming in the morning and all that stuff. So we go live tomorrow in the morning so that when you guys when you can like really see the hotel. The hotel is beautiful, beautiful. People they swim. You can see a couple out there. So, and the best thing I like about the pool, I'm gonna show you. It's like them pool beds. Them have some pool beds. Hold on, I'm gonna go get my other phone and turn on the lights so and I can get to really see the view. Like look, see? Like the pool bed. I love that. Like you can chill in the pool. This is a couple one. And then this is like 2-person. You can sit down. So nice. But we'll go get food to eat right now.